how to create Telegram account with email. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can create a Telegram account with email. Well, first things first, let's dive straight into the video. If you install Telegram and if you open it up, even if you head over to the web, you can see you'll get the option to start messaging. So if you tap on it, it'll ask you to log in. Now either ways, if you have an account or if you don't, you just have to choose your country or enter in your country code and then enter in your phone number, right? Now however, you can see there is the option to enter in your country code and phone number, but there is no any option to enter in your email. Now what you'll have to understand is Telegram uses phone number for user verification or the account verification. So the only way to go ahead and start messaging on Telegram is to sign up through phone number. Now if you don't have a phone number, what you can do is you can simply head over to browser and then search in for free number for OTP. Here you'll get various links. You can head into this link and get a temporary number and get the SMS. Now I won't dive into that, I'll make a separate video on it. But here, so what you can do is simply, once you get the code, choose the country code and then choose the phone number and tap on next, get the OTP, enter it, and later once you have entered in and logged in, you can use your email in order to get into step verification so that you can secure your account and nobody else through that site will be able to access your account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.